Looking for lights to set up a small studio or take on the go? Check out the LumeCube Studio Panel Lighting Kit. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's unbox and check out the LumeCube Studio Panel Lighting Kit. The kit has 2 panel lights with built-in battery, so they're great for a content creator with a small studio like me or on the go. The kit came in a big flat white box with a picture of the lights printed on it. Opening the box, alright, a rather compact and flat carrying bag. Nice zippers with pulls. There's a pouch for one panel and another pouch for the second panel. On the bottom of the bag, there is one stand and the second stand. Let's see. In the mesh pouch on the opposite side of the bag, a power supply, 2 tilt mounts. In the other mesh pouch, there's a quick instruction card for the remote and the panel lights. There's the remote, battery included, good. The other power supply, and finally, a card that says, "Nothing would brighten our day more than hearing about your experience." Nice. Let's look at the light panel in more detail. It measures 10.5 inches by 7.5 inches. The bezel is about half an inch all the way around. It and the housing are all in black plastic. There are vents all over the back for cooling. It's very thin, less than half an inch at the edges, and just 1 inch thick with all the electronics and the built-in battery. Weighs about 1.5 pounds. And yup, this panel has a built-in rechargeable battery. The included stands are robust and stable. It's the same one that comes with the Ring Light Pro. By the way, that's a great light if a ring light is what you're looking for. I'll put a link to my thoughts on that one compared to the Ring Light Mini in the description below. You can check it out after this video. In any case, the stand is made of aluminum. With these 4 adjustable clip locks, it can go from 18 inches all the way to 70 inches tall. When done, the feet fold back so it's compact and easy to pack away. Sturdy yet very portable. The included tail mount allowed the light to tilt back and forth. The controls are mostly on the right side. There's a DC input for powering the panel and charging the internal battery. A power switch to turn off and on the light. Since the panel has a built-in battery, it can work without any cord, which makes setup so much easier. The top dial controls the brightness. It goes from 1% to 100% in 5% intervals. The dial below adjusts the color temperature, which goes from 3200 to 5600 Kelvin in 100 Kelvin intervals. There is a bright, easy-to-read LCD screen in the center. It displays the battery life, remote control frequency channel, brightness, and color temperature. What's cool is it can tell the remaining battery in real time. The panel is now at 100% brightness, and the remaining battery can put out this brightness for 1.6 hours. If I turn the brightness all the way down to, say, 1%, wait for it. There, it now can last for 26 hours, which is a long time. Oh, and there's a little button on the bottom to change the frequency channel for the remote. And here's the remote. Everything can be controlled with this remote. There's a power button to turn the light off and on, direction pads to adjust the brightness and color temperature, and 5 shortcut buttons to quickly jump to a particular color temperature and a brightness setting. The kit also comes with a barn door for each panel. It's also black and all plastic to keep the weight down. It simply snaps onto the panel light. Does a good job focusing and shaping the light. The most important for the panel light, of course, is the quality of light it puts out. There are 200 inward-facing LEDs with built-in diffusion in each panel. Lumecube calls this their edge-lit technology. It produces a powerful yet soft light with even coverage. The light has a 96 plus CRI rating for accuracy. At 100% brightness, it can output 2100 lux at half a meter away. One wish I have for this panel light is an USB-C charging port, so I don't need to look for and remember to bring another charging adapter just for these lights. Better yet, if the battery can be removable, I can have extra ones charged standing by to swap in when they run out. Oh, it'd also be great if there is a RGB color option for these panels. At $349.99 US, the Lumecube Studio Panel Lighting Kit is not the cheapest options out there, but you get what you pay for. Lumecube also sells the panel light by itself without the stand nor the barn door for $149.99. There are often discounts in the link I'll put in the description below. I've been using these panels in my studio, well, just a room really, for my last few videos, and they turn out great. I love how they're very easy to set up and move around without needing any power cords. The light is powerful yet soft and even. It's great how they tear down and fit well into this flat carrying case, so I can take them easily to locations too. What lights are you using for your studio or photo video sessions? How do you like them? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, do subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment. Thanks to Lumecube for sending these out for me to try and share with you.